Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable magnification shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. After that, tap on vision enhancements and then we scroll down. In here, tap on magnification, then tap on magnification shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When you turn it on for the first time, you need to select at least one shortcut. In here, you can turn on the shortcut for the side and volume up buttons combination, or you can select press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. The other option is to triple tap on the screen. So I'm going to activate all the 3 different shortcuts, and here you can see if I triple tap on the screen, here you can see magnification turns on, and here if I triple tap on the home screen, it will turn off. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. And that is the magnification shortcut. The other option is to assign it to the accessibility buttons. Now I have missed that one out. So here at the top here, you can tap on tap accessibility button, and that will allow you to add it to the menu. When you tap on this accessibility buttons, the menus will appear. From here you can select magnification to turn it on or switch it off. So I'll turn it off, magnification, and that is how you can switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.